Now let me quickly, in a short span, try to explain to you the stages of a website. Unless you're trying to build a big business right up front wherein you have some funding available, your website also will grow in stages, which means your investment can keep growing as the revenues grow, and your revenues themselves will fund that growth. To start with, you normally start with an informational website. It talks about what you want to achieve, what are your objectives, it talks something about you so that you can start building trust with your website visitors. At the next stage, you list your products and services. To add to it, a lot of payment gateway providers also provide links which you can just embed so that you can start collecting payments. This is not a full-fledged e-commerce system, but it works, especially if the number of your products or services is not huge. At the next stage, you actually convert your platform into an e-commerce system wherein you can sell products, services, coaching modules, you can have your training modules lined up, and people can purchase and get an instant access into your website the way I have set up Sigma Trail for that matter. In the next stage, you would want a community. You want to build a tribe. Why a tribe? Because again, these are repeat clients and customers who will come back to the website for various needs of theirs. Definitely, at this stage and going forward, you can add the marketing components and build a full-fledged shopping platform for your visitors. Hope you liked this. Have a good day.